AppleJack, and everybody, you still rocking this mail.
Bye, AppleJack. Bye, AppleJack. I did wait on you, AppleJack, but that SwitchBlade was gone too, man. Take it, AppleJack, SwitchBlade. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. I'm back cruising the 4 Pier Mobile, Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, you cruising at 4 Pier Mobile. ModSquad, you cruising your 4 Pier Mobile, ModSquad, AppleJack, John.
AppleJack, look what you did, AppleJack. AppleJack, look what you did, man. You put some big numbers over here. AppleJack, you put some big numbers in my radio. AppleJack, ModSquad, Mobile gone, Aloha. Right there, AppleJack. SwitchBlade, I heard you, man. Hey, SwitchBlade, you did the same too there. Hey, SwitchBlade, you did the same too there, SwitchBlade. Bye, AppleJack, ModSquad, Honolulu. Right there, AppleJack. You got a little malfunction out there, AppleJack. We got it when you said it there. Take them on care, AppleJack, ModSquad, Mobile, waking them up in Honolulu. Have a good one, Aloha. Right there. It's all about being consistent. It's all about being consistent. Hello, AppleJack. Take care. ModSquad, Honolulu. Bye, SwitchBlade. Aloha.
Hey, ModSquad, tell me to have his radio back. Hey, ModSquad, tell me to have his radio back. Bye, ModSquad, AppleJack says, yo, right on, proceed with caution. Bye.
Bye, AppleJack. Bye, AppleJack. You said they can have the radio back, AppleJack. AppleJack, you said they can have the radio back. AppleJack, ModSquad. Bye.
Hey, bye. The ModSquad ain't never lost my radio. Hey, ModSquad, SwitchBlade ain't never lost mine. SwitchBlade got down.
Hey, SwitchBlade, right there. Right there, SwitchBlade. Right there, SwitchBlade. Aloha.
Oh, you look down in my mind. Hey, ModSquad, SwitchBlade never lost mine. Take care, SwitchBlade. Aloha.
Right back, SwitchBlade. You working it too there, SwitchBlade. You working it downtown Honolulu, man. You and AppleJack, man. That's all I got going on right now. ModSquad, Honolulu. Aloha. Right there, 303. I heard you in Oklahoma. 303, I heard you around Oklahoma, man. You enjoy the day too there. 303, ModSquad, Honolulu. Aloha.
Appreciate it down there, Mr.
Bye, AppleJack. Bye, AppleJack. Hey, AppleJack, is Oklahoma pretty far up north? Hello, AppleJack. Take care, ModSquad, Honolulu.
Yeah, pull out that ModSquad. Put on there, man. I'm doing some watch that up here.
Right there, AppleJack and SwitchBlade. And by 303 in Oklahoma, man. Take care, 303. I know we made a quick pass on you in Oklahoma, but do enjoy the day, ModSquad, Honolulu. And y'all enjoy the day too there, ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu said real good copy now. ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Bye.
12172. Down 602-301-2172.
I got the number. ModSquad got the number right here. ModSquad got the number in Honolulu now. Bye.
ModSquad, I'm talking 17 in the past, man. That PeanutWhistle trying to get my list. 17-602-301-2172, and I'm back quiet.
Okay, PeanutWhistle, sorry about that. ModSquad gone. Aloha.
No, I wasn't nothing, man. What's that? I'm talking to you,
got it all, PeanutWhistle. PeanutWhistle, you got them all down in Honolulu. Take it, PeanutWhistle, you got them all in Honolulu. Mod Squad gone. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Mod Squad, little car in Honolulu. Read the mail. Right back. Bye, too. Have a good one. Mod Squad Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. Mod Squad Mobile back cruising downtown Honolulu now. The Mobile gone. You got it all the way down. Mod Squad gone.